That light's too bright.
Now we're cooking and lighting with gas. Welcome back. If it's free, it's for me. A friend of mine was cleaning out his garage. He was moving and gave me a Bernzomatic dual beam propane powered lantern. I have never seen one of these. Going camping next week. So I figure let me clean it up, see if I can get it working before we go. This has been sitting around for a long time. It still has a bottle of propane in it. It says $1.69 on it, so how long ago was that? Let's get this disassembled a little bit, clean it up, and see if we can get it to work. I'm already losing parts. And looking at it, doesn't even look like it has a lot of use on it. Mostly just sitting around. Got a big dent over here we're going to try to straighten out. I want to get the glass out, but don't think it's going to come out with that dent. And if this glass breaks, then that's it. We're done with this. Don't break. It is glass. I assume that's supposed to fit flush. And that mantle is junk. It still has gas in it. Let me pull this out. I believe there is directions on the back. I glanced at them. I think that's got to unscrew to pull this out. Oop. I don't think I had to unscrew that. I'm going to blow everything out here, and there is something in the bottom. Tell me it's envelope of mantles. Ooh, maybe it is. And a bunch of maple seeds. I bought some online. It's supposed to be coming in, but one. Okay, I'll take that. And a different orifice for high altitudes. Okay, we're not staying at high altitudes. I'm at sea level. Give it a quick cleaning. True Test propane fuel. What does that look like? 11, 14, 78, possibly? Could it be that old for $1.79? I don't know. Yeah, it feels pretty full. We're gonna test it out. The rust, I don't know if we'll be able to do much with it. Try to scrub it off. I'm not gonna go too crazy. Don't even know if this thing works, but it's an interesting conversation piece, if anything. Watch out on the paper on the back. I don't even know what year this thing was made. Google it and find out. Everybody has the Coleman one. Never seen one of these. And why is it dual beam? I believe it's because it shines around and it shines down. At least that's what I think. Spray it down some more. Blow it off with some compressed air. Blow out the orifice tubes. Ooh, a bubble. Cleaned up nice. So we could screw this back in. Did not need to take it out. I don't know if there's supposed to be like a O-ring or something on this. There's the orifice. You could hear it come out. Should there be an O-ring there to seal on that? I guess I'm gonna find out. The new mantles arrived in the mail, so let's try one of the new ones because that one falls apart anyway. It's gonna be no good. Original and the replacement's a lot bigger. Well, let's try putting a new one in. What's the worst that could happen? Now you're supposed to light it on fire and let it burn. It's still burning. Does it need an O-ring? I do not know. Let's try it. We'll find out. Turn it open full. I get my lighter ready. Ooh, baby. That's wide open. Let me turn it down a ways. How far can we go? Let's kill the lights. I love the sound. A little too much going on there. I gotta turn it back a little bit. Let's see. There you go. There's a sweet spot right there. A tiny bit of warmth. One problem. It's missing the handle. And I already have a solution for that. Got a piece of chain and some screws. So actually should have put it on before I got the thing hot, but let it cool down. We could have a little chain hanging from it so I could hang it up somewhere or carry it around. Not bad for nothing. Turn it off. We got our chain hanger on here now. Take it mobile. That gives off a whole lot of light. But don't look at it because you get blinded. Ah. Now we're cooking. Serenity now. $1.69 worth of propane from 1978. How much did we use? Almost empty. I gotta take it home and burn up the rest of it. That was $1.69 well spent. The lamp performed great. We got a few moth victims in there. We got to clean them out. 3 nights in the beautiful woods of New Jersey. Thank you for watching.